In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file. First, open chatgpt.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in and on the main chat screen so the upload button is visible where you compose messages. If the interface looks partially loaded, give it a moment to finish before you try again. If you've been working in a very long conversation, start a fresh chat. Uploads can fail when a thread has a lot of history because the session becomes heavy. Opening a new chat gives you a clean slate and often clears hiccups that block file attachments. Next, confirm your file meets the limits. The maximum upload size is 512 megabytes, and the file needs to be in a supported format. If the file is close to the limit, consider compressing it. If the format isn't recognized, export or save it to a common type like a document, image, or PDF before trying again. Also check that the file name doesn't contain unusual characters. Perform a hard refresh of the page. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces the browser to reload the page and scripts from the server instead of cache, which can resolve stuck or outdated components that interfere with uploads. If that doesn't help, log out and then log back in. This refreshes your session and clears temporary authentication issues that sometimes block uploads. After signing back in, go straight to a new chat and try attaching the file again. Make sure you've selected the correct model. File uploads require GPT-4o. Open the model picker at the top of the chat, choose GPT-4o, and wait a moment for the model to load. If you switch models, try reattaching the file once the interface updates. Clear your browser cache and cite data specifically for chatgpt.com. In your browser's privacy settings, find cookies and site data, search for chatgpt.com, and clear cached files and cookies for that site only. Note this will sign you out, so you'll need to log back in afterward, but it removes corrupted data that can break uploads. Temporarily disable VPNs and browser extensions. VPNs, ad blockers, and privacy tools can block upload endpoints. Turn them off, refresh the page, and test the upload. If you find a culprit extension, add an exception for chatgpt.com. Finally, try another browser. Switch to Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to see if the issue is browser specific. If it works elsewhere, update or reset your original browser before returning. Follow these steps in order, and your file uploads should start working again. Thanks for watching.